In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a PayPal Business Debit MasterCard, a useful tool for any business owner looking to manage finances more efficiently. We'll cover what this card offers, the eligibility requirements, and how you can apply for it step by step. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into it. The PayPal Business Debit MasterCard (TAR) is a valuable resource for business owners. It provides the convenience of spending directly from your PayPal business balance, allowing instant access to your earned revenue. Plus, it rewards you with 1% cash back on eligible purchases. Not only can you use it for online or in-store payments, but it also grants you access to ATMs and supports digital payment platforms like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay. This makes it a versatile option for managing your business's finances seamlessly. Now, before you rush to apply, let's talk about who qualifies for this card. First and foremost, you must have a PayPal business account, and it must be in good standing. This means there should be no unresolved limitations on your account. It's important to ensure your account is organized and updated to avoid any issues. Additionally, PayPal requires you to have a confirmed physical street address, as PO boxes aren't accepted. You can confirm your address by linking a card that has a statement sent to your address or by completing PayPal's location verification process. Furthermore, in the US, you'll need to provide your date of birth and social security number, or your local tax ID for other regions. A credit check isn't necessary since this is a debit card that directly uses your PayPal balance. Now that you know what's needed, let's go through the application process. Start by navigating to the website www.paypalprepaid.com. Once there, find and click on the Get Started button to begin your application. Fill in any required information that might be missing, such as your address, DOB, or SSN. After you've completed the form, submit your application for consideration. If your application is approved, you'll gain access to a virtual card immediately so you can start making transactions without delay. The physical card will generally arrive in your mail within 7 to 10 business days. However, if your application isn't approved, don't worry. You can reapply for the card after a waiting period of 30 days. By following these steps, you can take advantage of the many benefits offered by the PayPal Business Debit MasterCard. It's a supportive financial tool for business owners aiming for flexibility and efficiency. Good luck with your application, and thanks for joining me today to learn about this fantastic resource. Remember to subscribe for more helpful guides and updates.